Okay. So the Coffee and Cash, Saturday 22nd, I'm going to be working directly with everyone who comes in person. There are still tickets available. You can purchase them on the website through the Warehouse Gym and directly through the links here. Couple of points. Credit manipulation. So what does that mean? It's a non-nefarious thing. It's an actual real thing. As I said before, credit is a consumer product, and you absolutely can manipulate it. You can add trade lines. I have screenshots I will share here where I've jumped my credit over a short period of time, like 30 days, 111 points to 84 points at one time across all 3 credit bureaus. It's not uncommon, especially if you take on a huge property like I did, building a business. You take a large hit if you don't have massive debt to income, so it's a dramatic change. Well, how do you recover from that quickly? It's fucking possible, and I can show you how to do it. It's not top secret because it should be. It seems like it is, but it's not. Okay, next. Also, business structuring. So on Saturday the 22nd, I will break down with an attorney, conferenced in, a business attorney, to answer your questions for free, including the tickets, in person. We will be streaming this, but this will be part of the in-person. So if you want to get tickets, get tickets. Anything I don't know that they absolutely have to answer and things like that, I have my attorney and friend that I've been using for over 7 years on retainer to do that for you guys in person. Okay, so tax strategies. I'm going to be covering everything from depreciation, advanced depreciation, trust and offsetting appreciation of commercial and residential properties for family and legacy, how to maintain your gains, and not only like me where you invest most of your money, you stay cash poor, to where I actually get a tax return on, say, $4 million, but also how if you want to keep your money, you can equivalent to write-offs, like how if you have more than one property, you can short-term rent to yourself if you travel like myself. So cool things like that that a lot of people don't even know about. Okay. And then next, how to make money and branding. So there are a million ways to make money. I think the biggest thing is I help with our trainers. We had a meeting, creative thinking. I'm kind of I wouldn't say a pro, but I'm very good at it. If you guys know anything about me or some of my background, yeah, I can show you how to put 2 and 2 together really quickly, and also how to think outside the box. Having an abstract mind with a logical mind at the same time helps a lot. Okay, branding. Running through branding and sales psychology. Branding is culture. You see that I've touched a little bit of that at the actual free Coffee and Cash. This one in person, I'm going to get a lot more in depth with like the individuals who have their businesses and models that want to come and discuss them. Or biggest thing is scaling your branding and know how to properly scale within budget, when it's time to pull the trigger on certain maneuvers, and all those things, and how I've done it myself in actually several industries. So branding is huge. What does it look like and how does it work? Okay. Scaling safety, we touched on that. And then building a strong culture. That's going to be a big one that I think a lot of people just have a loose concept of. So Saturday the 22nd in person, it's going to be a whole half day, about 5 to 6 hours with you guys. We got food and drinks in person, also with streaming. I'm going to be diving heavy into like psychology, culture, leadership, things like that. Like between Simon Sinek, Jordan Peterson, Dr. Joe Dispenza, and like all the things that I've learned with the Waitlist and things like that I've taken in to become what I believe is an effective leader and a fair boss. All right, help you guys.